Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to use the M3dida exporter tool. So it's pretty simple and it's great for those who want to print and export everything at the same time. Just one click, alright? So for our project setup, right, we just have, so the project right now it's in 2021, Revit 2021, okay? And so we have a couple floor plans, just level 1, and 3D views, right? And then schedules, I have one here just called sheet list, generic of course. And we just have unnamed 101 and unnamed 102. A101, A102, okay? And sheets right here, right? Okay. So, all right. So let me show you how it works. Okay. We're gonna come up here to add-ins, and you hit the M3dida export tool. Of course, you can check out all my other tools on the Autodesk App Store or on my website at m3dida.com, M3dida.com. Of course, you can also just go into the App Store and type in M3dida, M3dida, and check out all my tools there. Probably gonna love them. All right. So we're gonna hit the button, and dialog is going to pop up. Okay, and so we can see we have three settings here, right? So here we got export PDF set, export AutoCAD, and export Navisworks. Okay, so for the PDF set, with the moment in time, for the PDF set, we're going to have print drivers. So there's just all your print drivers that you want. So, OneNote, Adobe, whatever. My typical standard for this computer is Microsoft Print PDF. Okay, in print settings, so sheet size, and then sheet lists, right? Or sorry, for here you can do your view schedule or sheet list, whatever you want. So I only have one, so I'm gonna select sheet list. And then set the PDF output path, okay? So I have all of mine coming to right here. Okay, so if I go back here, you can see all of them coming on. Okay, so we got AutoCAD, Navisworks, and PDF, okay? And so that's where this one's going. And then this one's going to my AutoCAD folder and then Navisworks folder. And yeah, AutoCAD, Navisworks, PDF. Cool. Okay. All right. And for AutoCAD, all right, it's pretty basic and simple. Select your sheet list or view schedule that you want to export, and set the output path, and you set your path again, and you're good to go. And then for the Navisworks, check that one, and then this one, just select your 3D view, right? Of course, I want the 3D view that has everything in the project, and you can select yours accordingly. Okay, and then you can set output path, and then it'll populate right there. Okay. If you ever need to reset your settings for any reason, okay, you can always hit just reset button, and then it will move everything. Okay. All right. So once you're done with that, we're gonna hit export. And one of the cool things is that if you have a print setting where it always asks you, where you want to save your PDF, right, or where you want to save your prints, I've figured out a way how to automate so that it will now take whatever path is listed here, and then it will create the files, whether it's an individual, if you select print one by one, or if you do all the prints at once, right, it will take, it will do a timestamp and then the name of the project, right? So in this case, it would be, a timestamp would be, it'll be 210709, sorry, 2021-0709, and then dash 1304, and then dash or underscore, like name of the project that you're in. So it would be 21 Project A, Maltese C, or whatever your your username is. Okay, just follow that. Alrighty. So it's gonna happen kind of fast. So keep your eyes peeled. Export. And then you see, oh, this is gonna autofill, save, and done. That's it. Okay. And so if we go to, oh, you can see this all working. And then once that spinner's done, you can see it running, printing, good. Now it's probably working on the NWC. Navisworks for the AutoCAD files, good. All right, and then if we check our output paths, okay, so let's check PDF path first. And so here we have our folder for one, right? And here's our here's our PDF set. Okay, and if we go back to our, go into our AutoCAD, you can see the same folder is there for one here, right? And so here we have our AutoCAD sets. And if we go over here to Navisworks, we have same folder. Again, so you're looking at the year, month, day, and then dash timestamp, so it's going to be hours of military time, minutes, and then seconds. Okay, and then here we have same thing, and here's an FXWorks file. Alright. Okay. Let me show you one time for the one by one. So here's it again. If you need, for whatever reason, if yours is not automating, right? Feel free to let me know which printer you're using and send me a snapshot of your printer dialog settings. I'll show you when it comes up for a split second there. Actually, this one's going to come up twice. Okay, and this one we're just going to do the PDF set and run that. So export. Okay, I'm seeing it come up right now. So send me a screenshot of this screen right here. It's going to save, good. And then it's going to do it one more time. And good. See, this one's said 102 right there if you saw it. Good. And then we're done. And that's it. Great little tool. Saves you guys a couple seconds or minutes. You know, if you're one of those firms that, or if you work at one of those firms, you know, that always prints them out, you know, like every night on the dot or at 2 a.m. or whatever. You know, instead of having to close and open and do whatever, and you know, select the view set, you know, from the printer drive, that can kind of drive everyone crazy from always having to save it and make sure it's the right one and everything. Now all of your sheets maintained by a sheet list that you maintain, that's easier to filter and easier to go through, right, can all be taken care of. Right, so that's it for this one, guys. Again, if you like it, of course, like and subscribe, or at least hit the like button. You know, lets me know I'm on the right path. If not, if you have a tool that you'd like me to check out or try to make for you, feel free to shoot me an email at support@m3dida.com. All right, and I can try and give it a shot. Alrighty, and of course you can also check out LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. All of those details will be in the description below. And yeah, alrighty, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.